addition. So what is addition and how do we do it? Hold your horses. We're going to find out right now. So, to start with, I have a bag. This bag is mine and I have evidence. So, in this bag, it's empty. See? Empty. Nothing in it. Okay. No money, don't try to steal me. So, if I was to put an apple in this bag, I wonder where that apple would come from. If I was to put an apple in this bag, and then if I was to put another apple in the bag, how many apples will I have in the bag? Let's see. That's one apple, that's two apples. That we have two apples. Wait a second. Two apples? Why didn't I just do 1 plus 1? Yeah, why didn't I just do that? So, what is the plus sign? What is the plus sign? This is it. So, all we did was do 1 apple plus 1 apple, which gave us 2 apples. So, we have 2 apples in the bag. Remember, kids, the plus sign looks like this. So whenever you see that sign, you know you have to do 1 apple plus 1 apple, or 2 apples plus 2 apples, which equals 4 apples. So let's do some exercises. If I had 1 apple, and I have another apple, and we added those apples, how many apples will I have? 2. If I had 1 apple and 2 more apples, how many apples will I have? 3 apples. So, you have to figure out this one on your own. If I have 3 apples and 1 more apple, how many apples would I have? Please share in the comments below what your answer is. Thanks!
You should say the answer at the end.
P.S. The answer is 4.
For which one?
The last one I said.
The other 2.
Okay, you know what? You're not the student. I said them.